good day mga ka-dormitoryana. So this is our second YouTube channel episode with again one of our loyal dormers to be interviewed to share her experiences and memorable moments here at Dormitoryana. So this afternoon, we're honored and grateful to have Roanne from Miriam College, and she's taking up her MBA at Miriam College. So Roanne, I'll give you the floor. You might want to greet the audience on our channel.
Hi everyone, I am Rowan. I've been a dormer here for 1.5 years, and I'm also a young professional who's currently taking up her postgrad studies at Miriam College. So, sir, thank you for having me.
Oh, sir, pleasure.
Thank you po.
Okay, so you've been with Dormitoryana for how many years na?
1.5 years po.
1.5.
Yes, I
So,
started last March.
wow, last March. So, syempre, when you chose Dormitoryana, what were the factors that you considered? Maybe 2 factors that you considered.
Well, the main factors that I considered was practicality and convenience. Since, of course, syempre, I'm a young professional, so who's starting out, I have to consider yung proximity ng work ko. Sakto, I have work here sa QC. And then, I'm also taking up my studies sa Miriam College. So, yung proximity ng area in terms of time, effort, and also, mas ano kasi siya, sir, mas affordable kaysa mag-rent out ng mga condo units. And also, and because yun nga, yung mga facilities naman, yung security, yung mga lady guards, so it's really more convenient.
So, yung ano, yung yung accessibility.
Yes po.
Most of our dormers, whether they're students or like Roanne here, who's working student, ano? She's taking up her MBA at Miriam College at the same time she's working. So, accessible siya going to Miriam College, which is just across Dormitoryana. And hindi lang accessible, it's walkable.
Yes po.
No? Meaning nilalakad lang niya. So, just imagine yung convenience niya at saka yung comfort niya going to school and going home here.
It actually saves me a lot of time, and also in terms of my transportation expenses, since I'm just walking point, also exercise na rin. So it's basically killing 2 birds with 1 stone.
Right.
Aside from that, I also feel more comfortable nga po, since most of us here are ladies. So I feel safer.
Actually yun ang number 1 factor. So yung mga viewers natin, especially yung mga ladies, no, yung safety ninyo pag dito sa Dormitoryana, talagang 100%. Because exclusive siya for girls, for ladies, and even yung guards natin, di ba?
Yes po.
Mga lady guards, no? And of course, secure yung yung facilities natin, yung area. And siguro, Roanne, ito yung ating ambience, ano? No? So makikita niyo yung background natin. Actually, ito yung dorm. Ito yung mga dorm. We're showing you building A. Dito bang dorm mo? Building A or building B?
No po. I live sa building B.
Sa building B si Roanne. But ito sa backdrop namin, this is building A. And andito yung garden, yung courtyard. So, ikaw ba appreciate mo?
Yes po, actually,
Yung
kapag medyo nai-stress ako or na-overwhelm with my workload po, I just go up here. Minsan nag-gym ako, nag-walk sa gyms just to, relax a bit po.
Okay, so meron kaming gym which our dormers can use anytime. No? Any day, anytime. Maglalag lang sila doon. We have an air-conditioned gym, especially available for our dormers. So yun yung sinasabi ni Roanne.
And it's free with Wi-Fi, sir. So
yeah, free with
Wi-Fi. It does save a lot of money then.
Right. And during your 1.5 years na stay mo dito, were you able to meet friends or well, at least had memorable experiences, moments. Ano ba, maybe you can share a thing or two about dun sa mga memorable moments, experiences mo.
Well, unfortunately, in terms of friends po, I am so busy kasi so
Okay.
I wasn't able to mingle and socialize.
Mhm.
But I'm ano naman, I have good relationships naman with the staff, with the employees po, and
Mhm.
also my fellow dorm mates, yung mga neighbors ko sa taas.
Yeah. Especially si Ate Gina.
Yes po, actually siya yung
Yan yung pinaka mother superior niya dito.
Yes po.
Quote unquote. So naalagaan sila ng mga caring staff natin dito saka yung admin natin. And syempre, bago tayo mag-wrap up, Roan, yeah, maybe you want to share with the audience on yung when you sa umaga pag alis mo dito and pag uwi mo ng gabi na ba because you're working, di ba?
Yes po.
Oo. So paano ba yung log in, log out mo? Tama ba yung security namin? Or masyadong mahigpit? Or ano ba? When you compare it with other dormitories, what can you say about the security dito sa atin? Security and safety.
Actually, for me, I think the security and safety is very reasonable po. Hindi siya to the point na nakakasakal, so hindi siya
Yun.
mahigpit. But at the same time, it ensures the safety of us dormers. Kasi we have certain processes, rules, especially in terms of curfew. So,
Yun.
ako kasi most of the time, since I'm working, so suki ako ng curfew, especially this past few days. And what I do is just, pagdating ko, I just log in my name, the time, the room, what time I arrive here sa dorm, and also what room I am in. And ayun lang yung processing. Wala nang ibang punishments or any penalties, which is...
Meron kasi tayong curfew which is 10 p.m. But, you know, this can be arranged naman with the guard with prior notice naman. Like, in Roan's case, she's working, so sometimes she goes home late at night. So na-arrange naman yung mga ganon. But, you know, we stick with the rules, yung mga curfew na ganon, no, for the safety of our student dormers. No, para lang merong boundaries na tinatawag.
And from what I've heard po ata, I think mas lenient sa akin kasi I'm working eh. So,
You're working.
pero from what I've heard, yung iba ata is pwedeng if i-follow up ng mga parents
Mhm.
about, if they can ask about their children kung regarding sa schedule nila if they want to. So,
We're a message away lang. Ika nga.
yes po. And they're very approachable naman, the admin of Dormitoriana.
Right.
Especially Miss Gina. Siya po yung takbuhan
Talagang
ko.
sikat si Gina.
Yes po.
No, kasi siya talaga no, yung nag-aaruga dun sa mga dormers natin. So, and of course we have some promotional flyers here. Dun sa mga inquiries, you can start visiting us here at Dormitoriana na prior to your school enrollment or school opening next month. Yung mga freshmen na mag-aaral sa UP, Ateneo, Miriam College, or yung mga young professionals even like Rohan, who's also a student at Miriam College, no? You can visit us and get hold of our promotional flyers. And you can now message us on our Facebook page, SMRC Dormitoriana. And soon we'll be with our YouTube channel and our website, which is dormitoriana.com. Now, for those who want to SMS us, Viber us, or message us, here are the numbers. For Smart, 0921-477-4796. And for Globe, 0927-574-5809. And we have an email which is dormitoriana@gmail.com. Okay, so you have anything to say to our future dormers or inquiries? Invited here, maybe, perhaps?
Yes po. yun, if you're looking for a good place to stay, for especially when you're pursuing your graduate studies, so consider Dormitory Ana. It's really the best choice for you too. So I hope yun din sa inyo.
Okay. So Ron, thank you for
Thank you.
guesting in our second episode dito sa YouTube channel natin. And see you around.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
See
you.
around.
Okay.